Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your AmaWaterways River Cruise experts, and today I have the pleasure of being on board the beautiful AMA Serena. Now this particular category is a window cabin, categories D and E. They're both down here on the 100 corridor and they both have windows. It's just slightly different based on their location. Now I'm going to tour this room here and review the amenities with AMA in just a second, but keep in mind when you're ready to book your next AmaWaterways River Cruise experience, make sure you reach out to Harr Travel. We are your AMA River Cruise experts. We've cruised with them extensively. We know the spaces inside and out, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, an AmaWaterways River Cruise is highly immersive and inclusive. You're going to have excursions to choose from each and every single day at no additional cost. Whether you want to head out and enjoy the classics like the museums and the palaces of Europe, dig a little bit deeper into the culture or culinary scene, or if you want to go completely active and head out on one of their bike tours or go for a hike, they've got you covered, all at no additional cost. In addition to that, you're going to love what AMA has to offer with their culinary scene here on board. They're constantly winning awards for their cuisine. You're going to have breakfast, lunch, and dinner included each and every single day, in addition to a fantastic chef's table experience that they have in the aft of the ship with its own show kitchen. You'll have a meal paired with wine exquisitely. Of course, they'll go through all the descriptions, and you put all of that together with some of the best tour guides and crew in the entire business, and you know you're going to have an amazing experience with AMA. Now, one thing that's important that I really wanted to point out is if you're staying in the 100 corridor, that's rooms 101 through 116 here on the AMA Serena, the only access on this particular ship down here is the staircase. So you're going to just want to make sure that you can navigate the staircase up and down as you head in and out of your room if you choose this particular category. Keep in mind that all the rooms on deck 2 and 3 can be accessed via elevator. Now this is on the lower deck of the ship, so it is important to know that most of the room is technically below the water level and you have two small windows up above. I always call it the swan view room because oftentimes when you wake up, you'll see the swans cruising by. Now keep in mind if you want to consider upgrading to a French balcony, one of their classic twin balconies or all the way up to the suite, we have that in addition to the full ship tour on our channel. Now let's tour the space. When you walk in the door, you're going to have your temperature controls to the side. You've got two coat hooks on the door and a floor-to-ceiling mirror to get ready. Just to the side here is the bathroom. Now this is one of those spots that you're going to see is a big difference in one of those upgraded cabins. As we step in here, you've got a small vanity with storage underneath, and you'll also have a bit of storage tucked just behind the mirror. You have a European plug here. Now I always bring extra European adapters and converters so I can take advantage of all the plugs in the space. You have a magnifying mirror here to get ready and the toilet tucked just behind. Now I'm 6'6", I'm a really big guy, but I do fit in the shower. You've got your adjustable shower wand here. You have your rainfall shower head up above. Those really nice upgraded bath amenities, a nook for your own bath amenities, and then you also have a clothesline that'll pull across. To my right here, you're gonna find the primary storage. So you've got hanging storage all the way across here and down below. Of course, they'll provide extra hangers if you need them, and you have a floor-to-ceiling mirror here to get ready. Now, AMA's all about the little touches, whether it's these complimentary golf umbrellas to utilize here on board, or the hand cream that they put on your nightstand when you're cruising during the Christmas markets. They love to constantly surprise and delight. Now here you're going to find those extra comfy AMA bathrobes and slippers you can utilize here on board, and then you're also going to have quite a bit of shelving units here for storage. Now as we continue through, over on this side, you're going to find your writing desk vanity combo. Now you've got a light up above and a nice large mirror where you can sit here and get ready. You can utilize the chair just there, it'll pull right in. And then you're also going to find two European plugs. You have an iMac here that also doubles as a computer and a TV. So you have a remote control where you can sit in bed and watch television. Your mini fridge is just underneath here, a drawer for storage. And then up above, you're going to find your safe. It's a good size safe and a little bit more storage up above. Now I wanted to point these out. Now a big part of the AMA experience is of course the incredible included tours. Now you're gonna have tour guides in each and every single port. And what's great is all you have to do is you have to click the sign here, line it up with your tour guide. It's gonna sync it automatically for you so you can hear your guide as you're going through the beautiful cobblestone streets of Dürnstein or Rudesheim. Wherever it is that you're exploring, you can wander just a bit off and still hear all the information. Now they're going to provide complimentary earphones for you. Personally, I always bring my own because they're a little bit more comfortable for me. Now right here in the middle is the bed. It's together in the large configuration. They can separate it apart into two twins if you're friends traveling together. In that case, the nightstand's going to move to the middle for a bit of separation. But either way, you have a ton of space underneath the bed where you can tuck your large bags away completely. On either side of the bed, you're gonna have nightstands with drawers. I love that you can tuck things away completely. And then you're also gonna have a lamp on either side and directional reading light so you don't disturb your partner while you're reading. Now, AMA has upgraded the entire river cruise experience. That does include the linens and those extra comfy feather pillows. You're gonna really enjoy all the soft goods here on board, right? Now on the far side, you're gonna find those two windows that I was speaking about here where you can look out. It's gonna be right above the water level. And then you've got two chairs and a table right here where you can sit to get ready or read a book. Now when you're ready to book your AmaWaterways River Cruise, whether it's this entry-level cabin or you wanna head all the way up to the suite, whether it's in Europe or Africa or Asia, make sure you reach out to Harr Travel. We are your AMA experts. We have an amazing relationship with them. We know the spaces inside and out, and we've cruised AMA extensively ourselves, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.